and change your life. You can have it all, no sacrifice. I know we did you wrong.
Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Money Mondays. On this series, I basically talk about all things money related, whether it be how to save, how to make money, how to build credit. All things financially related will be talked about on this channel every single Monday, so make sure you guys subscribe if you guys haven't already. So on today's episode, I am going to be talking to you guys about different ways to make more money passively in 2020. Before I continue on with this video, make sure you guys check out the rest of my Money Mondays series. I'm going to link them all in the description bar down below. So today's video in particular, like I said before, I'm going to be talking about different ways you can make money passively in 2020 without having to actively work for the money. So some examples of active income is, for example, being a hairdresser, where you have to actually, do hair in order to get money. Having a 9-to-5 job or any type of specific job where you have to clock in is income. With passive income, however, you can make money without having to clock in. You can make money in your sleep. You can make money literally 24/7, even on vacation. What's great about passive income, you guys, is that the amount of money that you make is not determined by how much work you put in. So with a typical job, you have to go to work for a specific amount of hours and you get paid by the hour. So a passive income business cannot be capped by the amount of hours that you work. And the amount of money that you make is not capped by the amount of hours that you put in. So I can spend time doing something for right now, and I can get paid every single month by that specific thing that I put time into hours beforehand. The only thing with passive income, however, is that you have to put in either time and effort or money beforehand to make more money back. So I'm going to talk to you guys about the different passive income ideas I have for you guys, and I want you guys to comment down below which ones you guys are planning on putting into your own life this year. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and we'll start now. So the first passive income stream that I have today is something that I already do, and it's honestly just creating YouTube videos. So if you guys didn't know, with YouTube, you can obviously get paid. I feel like everybody knows that, but people don't realize that the more videos that you put out on this platform, the more you get paid per video. So I am still getting paid till this day from videos that I posted back in 2018, and that's because every single view that I get every single day has ad revenue coming from it. Every single month that I get paid from YouTube, about 75% of that income is coming from videos that I made in previous months, even previous years. So creating a YouTube channel will honestly be an amazing passive income idea. Particularly when I started YouTube myself, I literally had no money. I literally started YouTube on my phone. I was recording videos on my phone, editing on my laptop, and just posting the videos. After a while, after putting a couple of videos, I ended up getting monetized, and now I'm still making money off of the videos that I've made 2-3 years ago. So that's definitely passive income. It's time and effort that I put in the past that I'm still making money on till this day. If you're not an extroverted person, you don't want to put yourself out there on YouTube, another amazing way to start making passive income is to do drop shipping or Amazon FBA, and those are basically where you are selling things that you do not have access to. I talked about this many times before, but it's going to take you some time to really understand. I personally am a dropshipper now too. I'm starting up my second dropshipping business this year. My first one that I started last year did really well. Before I started my first dropshipping business, I did take a course. It was a lot of money. I do have my own e-commerce business where I sell my own products that I actually made myself, and it took a lot of time. It takes a lot of money up front. I actually have to package all of my orders myself. But with drop shipping, I was so intrigued because I literally do not have to have any relation to the specific product. I just have to think of a product that I want to sell, create my own storefront on either Amazon or Shopify, where I am drop shipping right now, and then find a way to market it. What's amazing about drop shipping is that you do not have to package the orders yourself. You don't even have to hold the inventory yourself. You can be a private seller, and Amazon will basically do all the work for you. It's not really a long process. You can find everything out about Amazon FBA in a link in the description bar down below. You can just type it into Google yourself. But you're basically just sending, if you have a specific business, you can send the products to Amazon's warehouse and they'll fulfill it for you. And you just get paid every single month on the products that you sell. So that's another way to make passive income. The next passive income idea I have is something that everybody honestly should take advantage of, and that's a high interest savings account. With normal bank accounts, the interest rates for savings accounts are around like 0.01. one thing I do recommend all of you guys to take advantage of is high interest savings accounts. A lot of online savings accounts, you are able to make a much higher APY than the traditional banks such as Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo. All the big name banks, they have interest rates of like 0.01 to 0.06, and that is like, that's literally like nothing every year that you're making off of your savings. These things called high interest savings accounts, they have a obviously higher interest, a higher APY, and you're able to make a lot more money than you know, with a traditional bank. So I'll link some of the high interest savings accounts that I recommend in the description bar down below. Make sure you guys go and check that out. But that's another way to make passive income. You're literally making money off of money that you already have. So another passive income idea I have for you guys is to invest in dividend stocks. So with dividend stocks, you're basically buying a stock of a specific company, and at that point you are now a partial owner of the company, and you get paid through dividends. The profit that you're going to be making is the value of the stock increasing over time. So as the stock increases, you make more money on the specific stock. So it's a lot of times, I kind of mentioned this in my goals video, with compound interest you're going to be making more and more money every single year on the specific stock. So that's one great benefit of investing. You guys check the links in the description bar down below to get started in investing stocks. Right now it's completely free. With Webull you're able to get 2 stocks for free, and with Robinhood you're able to get 1 stock for free just by signing up. Another way to make passive income is by selling information. So that can be from creating an ebook, which definitely does not take a lot of time. You can create an ebook and sell it on something like Amazon, and you literally only have to make that ebook one time and you can sell it for as long as you want. Creating a course online and either recording a course or something like that, and then selling that specific video or stream of videos constantly, and you will make money on a consistent basis. This, you only have to spend time in the beginning, and then from that point on you can constantly sell that specific information that you have. So you can do this in the form of an ebook, you can do this in the form of a program like an online program, or creating your own course. So right now I'm doing one-on-one coaching where people are able to book me to do a one-on-one session where I'll be able to help them start, run, or grow their business. And instead of doing that and exchanging my specific time for money, I can create a course and I can literally say every single thing that I've been saying in my one-on-one mentorship, and have a course and sell that specific course without having to exchange my time, like 1 hour per person on that course. People spend thousands of dollars at school and university, and they are willing to pay for information to make them more money or to learn a specific skill. So definitely take advantage of that and create your own program or something like that, and be able to either sell the ebook on Amazon as an example, or sell your specific course on something like Teachable. If you don't have a specific market to do that, there are different ways to market anything. So if you don't have a large social media platform or a large audience of people to sell to, or to, you know, give information to, there are multiple different ways to market and create a bigger audience. So that's something that I'm definitely working on this year. I'm gonna make it very, very professional. I'm renting out a studio space to film it. It's not gonna be inside my my room here and everything like that. So it's gonna be filmed very professional. You're gonna be able to access all of the courses through Teachable or through whatever platform I decide to put it on, and you guys will be able to get that course without. Another way to make passive income is to become an affiliate. You can become an affiliate on a whole bunch of different things, but this is literally you making money off of somebody else's business just by promoting it. So you do not have to be an influencer to do this. I know a ton of people that literally just have their like a link in their Instagram, a ton of people that just share specific links to different websites when people ask. So for example, with me, I have the Lavish Life brand, which is one of my businesses, and I have a whole bunch of campus representatives that represent my specific brand at their universities. They make money off of promoting and, you know, spreading the word on my business without them having any without them having to put the work into the business or anything like that. All they have to do is give their specific code or link, and they'll be able to make money off of that purchase. So this is something that I know a lot of people do, and an amazing thing that you guys definitely can take use of, regardless if you're an influencer or not, is the Amazon Associates program, where you're able to make a percentage of every single order that is made through your link. Another way to make passive income is by starting a social media marketing agency. Like I said before, creating passive income streams requires you to either learn a skill or invest money. This one is something that you're gonna have to kind of learn how to do beforehand. It doesn't take a lot. There's a lot of courses that you can take. There's a lot of of different ways to find out how to start a social media marketing agency. With this type of income, it basically consists of you going to a specific business and asking them to be their social media marketing manager. And with this, you basically have to run Facebook ads or any specific type of ads for the business every single month. But then you're probably asking, how is this a passive income source? But typically with ads, you really don't have to do a lot of work every single month. A lot of times the ads are reoccurring, so you place an ad on a specific social media platform, and the ad reoccurs, but the business is paying you every single month to have that ad up and to basically just do the work of creating the ad. So that's basically how social media marketing agency works in the easiest way possible. But it definitely does take learning how to use Facebook ads and understanding how much money to put towards an ad is a little complex. But what's great about creating your own social media marketing agency is that the business is giving you the money for the ads. Passive income, but you have to do some work beforehand and continually just kind of make sure that the ads are working, but you get paid every single month. A lot of businesses pay over $1,000 every single month just for minimal work. So that's basically it for this video, you guys. I just gave you guys a whole bunch of different passive income ideas that you guys can take advantage of this year. If you guys do plan on using any of these ideas, make sure you guys let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye guys.